Hola Buffets, welcome back to Jeffrey Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buffet. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the video as well. So tomorrow ziyakhala basho kanjalo. Basho kanjalo kade behlela. Ukuthi ke cha tomorrow impela ngathi ke kune busy ye shutdown. There is a shutdown tomorrow, national shutdown, yabo. Bayasho ukuthi ke ilinkene nani yabo ngokwabo ke abaziyo, and we saw social media ukuthi ke tomorrow nje kune national shutdown. Kufanelekile yini ukuthi kube ne national shutdown tomorrow? Yebo kufanelekile. Okay, ake sikhulume ngale national shutdown yakusasa specifically, and then we will divert kancane and then talk about ezinye izinto ke ebezingadingi national shutdown, not ke kodwa ke specifically le yakusasa, but then nje national shutdown enye yabo noma ke ebekumele ibe khona ke kwa before yabo the case ka Cwecwe. Okay, the national shutdown ke in South Africa izoba khona ke mhla ka 1 April lapha ke according to ama reports esiwabonayo noma ke eindaweni nje ehlukahlukene including Facebook, TikTok and all over nje social media. So it appears to be linked to an ongoing outrage lapha over a tragic case yengane leyana ke eneminyaka u8, untombazane lo yana ke referred to as uCwecwe igama lakhe, who was allegedly lapha ke iwathintwa ngendlela engafanele. Kahle kahle she was allegedly violated. Okay, so kuthiwa ke lokhu kwenzeka ngonyaka odlule ke around October kanje. So this incident iye yaqhwiza ke noma ke yasabalala nje ngenye ke indlela yagcina ke seyenza nabantu futhi ukuthi ke no yazini man, yasukumeni singene emgaqweni ke senze ini lento ebizwa ngetoyitoyi yabo, ukuzwakalisa ukuthi ke lento asihambiselani nayo lento eyenzekele kulengane, and futhi ke yazi ukulandelela iprocedure kunabantu abangafuni ukwenza lokho yabo. Ake singeneleleke lento nathi ke siyiNingizimu Afrika, basho kanjalo abantu on social media nakuphi. So bagcina ke lokho sekufica ukuthi ke bayakwenza ngoba befuna le yanto ke ekuthiwa ijustice. Ifuna wena umbani ke ijustice ke futhi kusuke kufanelekile ukuthi ke lo muntu loyo ngempela if ever ebe violated ibe khona le yanto noma ikhomba ukuba khona le yanto ekuthiwa ijustice, ngamanye amazwi ifairness, because ke phela siphila ngaphansi ke kwezwe lamalungelo yabo. So kufanelekile ukuthi ke kuthi makuphuka amalungelo abanye abantu kube ke nejustice eyenzakalayo directed to labo bantu labo. So kunama demands lapha ke ayenziwayo kahle kahle futhi directed to government. Okay, nje amaningi kakhulu alinke kule case, amanye awo awalinkile kule case yabo, kodwa ke athintana nayo le ndaba ye-GBV yabo. So uma siqhubeka mfethu ngendaba yelento zami ye shutdown yakusasa, the case has drawn a significant attention njengoba sishilo, with organizations like Women for Change and the Uyinene Mrejwana Foundation, maningi nje amanye ama foundations that are advocating for urgent action to this case. The protest also highlights ukuthi ke lapha yana ke kahle kahle eNingizimu Afrika bangakanani abantu ke abahlukumezekayo noma ke izingane ke ezihlukumezekayo futhi ezidinga ngempela ukuthi ke kushintsho yabo esimeni ke sazo lezo izingane. Uma kodwa ufuna ke ukubona noma ukuqinisekisa lokho esikukhulumayo ngempela ukuthi kuyiqiniso, because kunamanye ama media houses or ngizothi ke ama-sources esithina ke sirefer kuwona if ever ke we talk about anything nje esuke siza nayo la esuke isematheni. You can also go to News 24, News 24, and also ku Independent Online laphana ke uzozibonela ukuthi ke ngempela ikhona lento engikhuluma ngayo, not unless ke kunama changes enziwe overnight, we don't know, but then ke tomorrow basho kanjalo bathi ziyakhala. My issue ke is here bafethu, hayi yabo South Africa inhlaka community ayihlangene, yabona, because indle emnyama kwayona iyodwa nje inhlaka they do izinto ngendlela ehlakazekile nje mahliphi yabo. Qabikela ukuthola ukuthi-ke kunaleyo solidarity eyenzakalayo, and then-ke kuyima-ke kuthathwa i-action-ke towards leyo nto issue ngaleso sikhathi, like this one, yabo. La ubonile ukuthi okay fine, i-solidarity khona, okay, kuyakhombisa ukuthi-ke we are one here, and then-ke there is i-action that needs to be taken. Because there is yini-ke into esiyibiza ngokungabi fair, yabo, la eyenzakalayo unlawful futhi-ke ekhomba ukuthi-ke even ingane le violated ayinayo i-capacity yokuthi-ke ingakwazi-ke ngempela ukuyilwela. Therefore even ngisho umndeni loyo ulwile wafika ekuphelelweni amandla, that's why ugcina-ke use-reporta nawe emphakathini, because uyakholelwa ukuthi umphakathi unamandla, noma abantu baseNingizimu Afrika banamandla ngendlela-ke abanamandla ngayo, yabo. Okay, yaphephetheka-ke lento on social media, that's where umama-ke esethole khona-ke indlela yokwazi ukuthi agcine-ke ethole-ke i-support. Yingakho-ke namhlanje-ke sila, and futhi-ke sibonga kakhulu bafethu-ke, yabo nje izinto lezi zama-podcast ngingazithatha kancane, the importance of going to ama-podcast bafethu, because this wasn't a radio station le ekiwe kuyona, or mhlampe-ke ama-broadcaster somewhere kwa-SABC, yabo. La bekukhulunywa kwi-podcast. This is a private broadcasting whatsoever, yabo. Kodwa kukwazile ukuthi-ke lokhu kufike la kufike khona kwasabalala up to ekuthenini-ke kuze kufike ekuthenini na kusasa nje ngomhla ka-1 abantu bayabenza njani bazohlanganyela ekuthenini-ke balwisane nalento ebhekene nayo lengane nefamily yayo. Okay, asishifte kancane-ke from le ndaba yake ngomhla ka-1 April sihlale kulento ye-national shutdown, ukubaleka kwe-national shutdown. I'm not calling for any national shutdown, but then I'm specifically saying ukuthi-ke why national shutdown ibalulekile eSouth Africa, because there are so many issues that South Africa is faced with, but then South Africa futhi as ama-citizens enamalungelo, they don't know ukuthi-ke amalungelo abo asho ukuthini. Mina ngokubuka kwami, because there are so many rights are limited by actions government, yabo. There are so many rights that are being disrespected, that are being violated indirectly by uhulumeni wethu, yabo. Kodwa-ke asikwazi ukuthi thina futhi sikusukumele lokho, yabo. Ngizokhuluma nje ngemiphakathi eyahlukahlukene-ke, futhi-ke ngizoba specific. 2016 there was enye into eyayibizwa nge-Fees Must Fall, and the Fees Must Fall benefited only ama-students, yabo. Ama-students maphi futhi abenefita, ama-students abenefita ilawo afike after sekubekho the Fees Must Fall, which was a very good approach ngokwami. It was a very good movement towards indlela ekwase kubukeka ngayo ukuthi-ke ngeke kunezinto eningi eziyinkinga, but then addresseki futhi ngendlela ekuyiyona yona. So ama-students akhetha ukuthi angene emgaqweni, yabo. Kwavandalizwa-ke kwezinye indawo futhi kuyinto-ke engekho right, because at the same time-ke yonke lento isuke ilwelwa ukuthi-ke ekugcineni kwakho konke kukwazi ukuthi-ke kubonakale i-way forward, hhayi ukuthi abantu bayibuyisele bona emuva ngokuvandaliza noma benzeke izinto ezizogcina futhi at the same time zikhosta bona imali yabo or isikhathi sabo, yabo. Because ungavandaliza indawo mhlampe ekugcineni kwakho konke, kodwa leyo ndawo, leyo infrastructure leyo uwe futhi ozoyilinda makuthiwa-ke isakhiwa, yabo. Uwe ozoyidinga makuthiwa-ke futhi-ke ayisekho ngaleso sikhathi wena usuyilimazile. So that wasn't a good like action ngaleso sikhathi, yabo. Even now, even nakusasa kungumhla ka-1 April, you don't know ukuthi kwezinye indawo kuzokwenzakalani, yabo. Thina singakujabulela nje ukuthi okay fine-ke kubanjwa i-shutdown, kuyoraiswa ama-issues, noma kule issue kuyosupportwa ingane ukuze kuzokwazi ukuthi kube njani. But then-ke nayi la isala khona, how about other issues like unemployment, yabo. Othi ke nje ngibheke nje ama-issues ashaye ulayini kanje eza kanje la eSouth Africa, yabo. Issues that are facing South Africa. Uzobona nje, uzozwa futhi nawe ukuthi South Africa nawa nje, yabo. Wathi mbo 1 2 3 4 5 6 ba highlight 6 la. That means izona izinto ezu6 esinga. Right guys, nazi ke lezi zinto lezi bafethu. Uyabona nje la number 1 ngizokubekela nje lapha ku number 1. Okay, these are challenges kahle abhekene neSouth Africa beside le yakusasa, ngoba ke yona imele nje iceleni, kodwa ke I think ifola under, yabo, of amanye ke ama challenges of which ke so mention nawo la. Okay, kunalesi struggle nje esikusona ke economically nje, yabo, economic struggles nje, yabo. Le anto inflation o high interest rate and nalento yokunyuswa kweVAT le, yabo, ukuthi ke iVAT kumele inyuke. These are factors or these factors are straining households budgets and showing economic growth, yabo. Okay, indlela ekwenzeka ngayo nje akukhomba ukuthi ke impela umnotho wala eSouth Africa uyanyuka noma wenza njani, yabo. Instead ke into ebonakalayo, because phela makuloke kunyuka iVAT kanje ukusho ukuthi kahle ke kunenkinga khona ke emnothweni wala eSouth Africa. Yini ke edala ukuthi umnotho wala eSouth Africa futhi ke ufadabale noma kwenzeke nje ngale ndlela ekwenza ngayo emnothweni wala eSouth Africa? Yini le iSouth Africa engenzi kahle in terms of umnotho? Ikuphi la abangakwazi khona ukwenza kahle as u government? Because each and everything sonke isinqumo, yonke into ayikwazi ukulokhungana influence kakhulu i-private sector, yabo. Uhulumeni uyena owenza izinto eziningi, othatha izinqumo ngezinto eziningi, yabo. Ayisidlulele phambili kodwa bafethu, and then siye lapha ngokwezepolitiki. The government of national unity formed after the 2024 elections faces ideological divisions and questions about its stability. Trust in government institutions has eroded and voter turnout has declined significantly. Right. Ngiyabona konke okunye lo ukuthi ukuvotwa nani kokwehla kwanje, kodwa kunalento yokuphikisana kulo hulumeni okhona njengamanje, lo GNU wakhona, yabo. Yini into ezoba right lapho, yabo? Ikuphi okusile okuzokwenzeka nje? Iziphi izinqumo ezizothathwa ugovernment ezisile, noma iziphi izinto ngizothetha ama plans, ama ideas, yabo, azokwazi ukuthi implementwe ngendlela ekuyiyo, and futhi ke kwenzeke ngempela kanjalo ukuthi ke kube yi-success i-implementation yalawo ma-ideas ibe yi-success, kube kunalempikiswane nje. For instance nje kuyimanje la kusalwisana nje ne-national budget nje, yabo. Abanye basho lokhu, abanye bafuna lokhu ukuthi kwenzeke ngale ndlela kanjani. Akuzona yini izinto engabe lezo ziyoraiswa ukuthi kahle ke hayibo savota phela, yithi esizoya emgaqweni njengoba savota, or else yithi esizoya kahle ke kuma government institutions are relevant to raise our issues, because this is not accepted, yabo. Thina as ama-citizens eSouth Africa we expect ugovernment ukuthi ke abe ugovernment nje ngendlela futhi izokwazi ukuthi ke incede abantu abahlwempu, incede abantu abangakwazi ukuthi ke bazirepresent, yabo, ey'ntweni nje ke ey'ningi, because eParliament phela you cannot go eParliament niyothatha iy'nqumo yonke, kodwa ke uvo lomphakathi libalulekile bakwethu. Ukuvikela futhi umphakathi kubalulekile, ungathi umphakathi ke uzoprotectwa yi-constitution kuphela, yabo. Constitution, yes, is there, but then again, who made the constitution? Who can change the laws, yabo? Akuyiwona lawo ma-laws amanye awuthola ukuthi against ke indlela yokuphila, yabo. and at the same time futhi ziningi izinto ke ezithinta umthetho futhi kumele ke uadapte yabo. Uma nje ubuka nje isikhathi esiphila kusona njengamanje kumele umthetho uadapte kuleso sikhathi leso sokuphila ngale yabo ngaleyo ndlela leyo. You cannot always apply umthetho apply kudala and then ke uthatha ususe uloku uhambe nawo lowo mthetho uzo apply nangalesi sikhathi lesi. Maningi ama cases ayenzeka ngendlela ehlukahlukene yabo. You cannot always reference ngezinto noma ngemthetho createwa ngalesi sikhathi lesiyana ke while izinto zama issues zenzeka sibhekile yabo njengoba ke kwenzeka namanje. So leya into issue kakhulu ke futhi leya nto leyana if iParliament lingakwazi ukusota out noma ke ukusolve leya nkinga yokuhluka kwembono eParliament vele yabo nje lo 5 years lo uzoba inkinga nje yabo. Kuyofana nje nokuthi ke ayikho into kahle kufana nokuthi asinawo government. We don't have uhulumeni ngempela. Okay, bese sidlulela phambili siye lapha kwi-unemployment and inequality. Lento ke kahle nayo enye ama issues okumele angenele emgaqweni noma bekumele angenele emgaqweni or else ke imarch nje very peaceful one njoba kuzokwenzeka nje. A very peaceful one, a very peaceful protest. Go there, raise your issues yabo. Abafundi bake bakwenza lokho ngalezi ayikhathi but bakwenza bawinani yabo. Because abafundi ababekweleta ngalezi ayikhathi baqhubeka bona bakweleta and bakhishwe ezikoleni ema university ngenxa yokuthini abakwazi ukuseklisha ke ama debts abo, their outstanding debts. Even namanje abanye bethu basanawo ama outstanding debts yabo. Bayafonelwa very credit wara yonke leyo nto leyo and yenye ama issues le yabo because now ama universities asesebenza now as ama bank yabo. We are there to learn at the same time kodwa we are there to create ama loans yabo, to create ama debts kahle. Uthi uphume e-university kodwa already ke usekunesikweletu esingange kaka olukhungana isemahlombe akho osikweletayo and leso sikweletu sihamba ne-interest. So while ufuna nomsebenzi futhi ukukhumbula ukuthi ke bazokutshela nangalento kuthiwa yini lento le, bazokutshela nangalento ke ye-experience yabo. In as much as uhulumeni futhi at the same time engabanika abantu enough opportunity to gain experience. Sekwaba nale nto leyo mthetho ukuthi ke awukwazi ukuyicelela ezikhungweni ezithile, awukwazi ukuyokwenza ini ukuze ugain experience. Kumele ke wenze i-learnership noma i-internship wara yabo. Kuleyo internship kuleyo department uthola ukuthi ke babili bathatha abantu abasebenzayo and kwi-internship kuleyo muntu loyo oqashiwe lapho futhi for internship leyo intern leyo izosebenza for 2 years lapho and leyo intern leyo is related to usibanibani okhona la kule department. If ever engekho kule department uyingane mhlawumbe yekhansela yabo. So yiwo ngama issues lawa ekumele ngabe iSouth Africa iyakwazi ukuthi ke ithi no man, enough is enough yabo. Ayisho ukuthi ba wrong ukuthi bayongena emgaqweni kusasa benze lento abayoyenza, it's fine yabo. I'm very seconding bona. I'm very supportive of leyo nto leyo, but there are so many issues ekumele kahle kuthiwa nje kune-national shutdown. Hayi leyo kulutha bakwethu i-national shutdown. That's not a national shutdown. Those are criminal activities nje indaba zomlutho. That's against the law. What is lawful ukuthi ke abantu bengalwisi umuntu, bengalwisi amaphoyisa, bengalwisi ama-institutions, bengajikijeli lutho, bengenzi lutho cha. Kodwa asikwazi ukuqhubeka nezinto eziwukuthi uma ukuthi nokuthi kunga-attendwa ngempela ngendlela efanele uhulumeni phela kumele kwaziwe bafuthi kungabi khona ukuthi ke awukho umehluko phakathi kwama-private institutions nohulumeni government. why kube yisasasa ukuvota but at the same time kungabe yisasasa ukurepresent abantu ngendlela ekuyiyona yona right yabo. Amaqembu okhefani kungaba nale yanto yokuphikisana ukuthi hayi no ngeke lokho asihambisani nako thina because indlela e-right sikholelwa ukuthi ilena lena yabo. Ekugcineni kodwa sibe khona phela isixazululo. Even ngisho emakhaya ama-siblings ayaba elentuzeni, ayaba kuma-discussions, ayaba kuma-engagements, kube khona imibono, kube khona abangaboni ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but ekugcineni kokho konke uma kumele kube nomsebenzi kulowo muzi, umsebenzi ugcine uwenziwe kodwa, ngisho regardless of imibono ekade-ke ingafani yabo. Kugcine kodwa kukhona ukukwazile ukuthi kwenzeke oku-right okuhle yabo, imiphumela futhi emihle yako lokho ibonakale. Angagcina ngokuhojwana laphayana elentuzeni kwenziwa ama-jokes lapha eParliament, uSpeaker wara kwenziwe yonke lento le. Sisekuyo le ka unemployment no inequality. Sisekuyo nje impela. Mina uthola eSouth Africa nje umothozwa ngendlela nje eziningi ezihlukahlukene yabo. Hayi ukuthi abantu ababona, abantu bayabona but they choose to be quiet. Bese bekhuluma ngesikhathi la uthola ukuthi ke khona inkinga isivele isikhona yabo. Isinkulu isingaka yabo. Abantu benza kanjena nje njengoba kunale case le ekhona njenganamhlanje noma ke njengoba ke kuyoba umhla ka-1 nje national shutdown le umntwana kusupport umntwana nefamily yakhe nje. Hayi ukuthi khona abantu ababengazi ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi ke kunomuntu okanje owenza u1 no2 and 3 and 4 la yabo. Hayi ukuthi insolo bezicala ukuba khona ngalokho. Uma usuthatha ukuthi ungalandelelisiza impela yabo. For sure zikhona izingane ezike zagileka, zigilwa umuntu oyedwa futhi na lo owenze lento. Okhona futhi ngaphakathi. Kusetshenziswana lapho. Akuyona imali, akukona ukungalingani. Angithi phela abanye abantu banenkolelo ukuthi abanye mebesebenza, abanye mebenza into e-wrong bazobe sebeyaba bribe yabo. Bazobe sebeyaba khokhela or else kukhokhelwa ama-officials ukuthi hayibo cishani lelo cala wara and ama-officials la aqashwe uhulumeni accept lawo ma-bribe lawo. Akugonani futhi ukufa komnotho lokho. Akugonani ukufa futhi kwani kwe-system leyo nje i-South Africa yonke. Akugonani ukufa kwama-values e-society la yabo. If iphoyisa alikwazi uku-accept i-bribe, that means ke there is no one who's protecting i-community, because i-perpetrator izokwenza njani, izonikeza lo okumele ngabe uprotect i-community imfalakahlala ebese yenze njani, uzoqhubeka protect i-community? No, uzoyiprotecta but lokho azobekwenza uzobekwenzela ukuthi nje ublinda ihlolelo le-public, kodwa uyazi yena ukuthi in private wenzani, because ekugcineni kwakho konke yibo laba bomthetho futhi abasabalalisa izinto ezifana nezidakamizwa. Uma ungathi nje uyahamba nje uma wenza i-investigation ngempela ulandelele ucheck ubuke ukuthi uzokubona konke lokho. Abantu bayakwazi all over lo, but they are quiet at the same time futhi. Obani kodwa ekugcineni abakhalayo yibo futhi. Obani ke abasemgwaqweni njengamanje, what are they protesting for? Only one thing. Uyazi ukuthi ke i-power ye-national shutdown, uyazi i-power ye-national shutdown, uyazi i-power ye-national shutdown. Do you know i-national shutdown ukuthi ke ayihlukile nale yanto ebizwa nge-state of emergency? Ngibhizi khela mfana, ngibhizi ngisumbanga ngisindo. busy la. Sit here and be.
Bubble.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, wait. Waiting busy, I'm busy. Right? So yeah, bafethu injalo nje. Injalo. So abantu uma bethatha ngempela serious lento ye national shutdown kumele bazame ukuhlela again futhi ukuthi ke ngempela lento le bayenza nini futhi uzohamba la. Hamba. Ngale ma. Shoba. Thank you. Bye. Uyabo. Ziningi izinto ekumele siyithathe serious ke including this one. Hayi uyabona nje khona into eyenziwe umphakathi waseNanda. The time bekwazi ukuthi ke behlangane as i-community, yabo. Because phela ke kumele sazi ukuthi kahle ke what is the meaning of i-community. Kumele siqale manje lapho sifundisana into ngempela esiyibonayo. Kumele siqale lapho ke manje siloku sifundisana ke ukuthi ke okay fine ke kuyini ukuthi ke nihlale emphakathini kumele ke kube kanjani manihlele emphakathini umphakathi kahle kanjani bafethu. Hey akumele kuze kufike ekuthenini kube khona ingane noma elimele noma khona ubaba noma khona umama oseze walinyazwa ngaleyo ndlela alinyazwe ngayo manje kunjani kusekumele kube national shutdown. Lezo zinto kumele zigwenywe kusukela khona kwi-community ngaphakathi. If ever kunama issues akwazi ukuthi ke alinke ngoba phela kune link la uyabona ukuthi hayi i-chain le yabo, and le chain le igcine ekugcineni ngoba phela into i-chain iyakwazi ukuthi ithi kanje ekugcineni futhi affecta bona labantu laba abayitshela ukuthi ke bawongqondo bayakwazi ukudoja ama bullets. If wena umholi kuleyo ndawo leyo ohola kuyona uloku ubalekela ama issues e-community yakho ekugcineni kodwa wena futhi o-affectekayo as umholi, yabo. If kuwena umhlali wakuleyo ndawo futhi owenza ukungcola endaweni ohlala kuyona ekugcineni futhi kuzo-affecteka wena nabantu abahlala kuyona leyo ndawo leyo, but then umuntu ozo-affecteka kakhulu wena, yabo. So the more thina senza izinto sitshela ukuthi sizenza ke kubantu, the more lezo zinto lezo zibuya back kuthina futhi at the same time. So if usithule thina sithule while sibone ukuthi ke ugovernment wethu uyahluleka, kukhona izinto esingazenza ukuze ugovernment phela uthi wake up, yabo. Ngoba ngisho ingane nje, yabo. Ngisho ukuthi uyithanda kangakanani, ngisho ukuthi uhulumeni wakho umthanda kangakanani, ngisho ukuthi iqembu owalivotela ulithanda kangakanani, but kumele ukuthi uliphaphamisa kancane nalo, yabo. Uhamba ume phambi kwabo uthi hey hayi phaphama, wake up, yabo. Wake up. If kunama policies ekumele awashintshwe lawo ma policies because there is something engahambi ngendlela, yabo. If kunama ideas amasha ekumele aqhamuke awaqhamuke kubantu already vele abasenkingeni bakwethu. Awukwazi uqhamuka ne-idea wena ukuthi imoto ingakhiwa kanjani, uvele unayo imoto, imoto usuyayazi, yabo. Uzovela usitshele ngemoto yakho le usuyazi, ake kube ile moto le izoqhamuka i-idea nalabantu abangenayo imoto, besitshele bona ukuthi imaphi ama-ideas abaqhamuka nawo because they thought of imoto, they coming up with an idea of building a car. This is how imoto ke yakhiwa ngakhona, udinga lokhu nalokhu. Simyeke lo already usenayo. Ilento ehlule ukwenziwa futhi by ama politicians baya ama-leaders sithi ba ama-leaders la emphakathini, even amakhansela khona abafundi abafundile abahambile baya e-university-ke, they know izinto ey'thile, how to create policies, how to unite abantu, how to make people even to be aware of izinto ey'thile without uloke uhamba wenza izinto ey'ngasile la, noma ugxekana namanye amaqembu or ulwisana nabanye abantu abama-leaders kwamanye amaqembu. No, yonke leyo nto nje it doesn't make sense, ayenzi umqondo. Thatha labantu laba already abanolwazi kukhona obazi, unite them, try to build i-society ene-peace, yabo. Sondele eduze kwabo futhi nawe ufunde izinto ey'thile, or else ubacele even ngisho ukubhala nje izinto ey'thile, yabo, or uqhamuka nama-ideas nezinto ezizokwazi ukudevelopha leyo mphakathi lowo. Leadership leyo nto ayikho indawo umphakathi. Nako ukungena emgaqweni kumele futhi ningene emgaqweni senazi ukuthi-ke njengoba niya lapho kuleyo institution leyo kahulumeni leyo, ngabe mhlampe niya kwa-education-ke, kumele yiziphi izinto ngempela ey'hlabahlosile ekumele nifike niy'dilive niy'shiye khona, futhi-ke kube nabantu abathile abakwaziyo ukuthi-ke beloke beni-update ngendlela ekuyiyona. Abantu abangezulo-ke futhi beqale phansi befakwa iy'mali ey'khucwini kunakuphi cha, ukuze-ke bezoloke bezonibesa ingubo nani njenge-society. Siyayisapotha yonke into eyenzakalayo ekhomba ukuthi-ke kudingeka i-justice, but then there are so many things ekumele ngabe-ke sithi-ke no, right now i-national shutdown siyidingela-ke manje ukuthi nokuthi. In as much as nina niyi-GNU, but hhayi ayikho into esile eniyenzayo, sasiy'tshela ukuthi-ke mhlawumpe kuzoba khona okungconywana, ake nizame ngenye indlela kanje, or else kuzoba khona ukonakalelwa izinto kakhulu, because yazi ukuthi i-national shutdown wehla kanjani umnotho. Nge-national shutdown yosuku olulodwa uyazi ukuthi ku-affecta kanjani umnotho lokho. Ukuma nje kokusebenza nje kuthiwe no, simele ukuthi uhulumeni wethu akakalungisa izinto zawo, okay, yabo, ama-office akakakline nje. If abantu berelaxile nohulumeni uzozirelaxela nje, yabo nje kune-unemployment engaka nje because uhulumeni urelaxile. Urelaxile uhulumeni, utshela abantu kuphela, ubona wenzi lutho, uyitshelela abantu kuphela ukuthi abenzeni. Create-ani imisebenzi yenu, zakheleni imisebenzi, thina sizonika ini, yabo. Bengawenza nje lawo ma-projects lawo lapho nalapho. But yini ngempela uzubone, yabo nje ukuthi kurelaxiwe. Uhulumeni ozotshela abantu ukuthi-ke sizonikeza o-350 bese kuya-relaxwa. That's why igcwele amaphara amangaka la eduzeni emadropini. Amaphara namapasi, unekhadi lasebhenki uyazi ukuthi nje mekuphela inyanga yena uyoyikholektela leyo 350 wakhe, yabo, bese yaqhubeka nomphanto. So ikona konke njalo prove inequality konke lokho. And by order lo 350 there was a lot behind wona. Kunabantu ngempela abadingayo ukuthi-ke badinga imali ukuthi basizakale, badinga i-shelter, yabo. So many unfinished projects-ke ey'ndaweni ey'hlukahlukene, angeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi nakuphi, kodwa so many unfinished projects. Ama-projects kuyiwona wona kumele ngabasiza abantu, iwona cut-wa off, yonke le nto le, yabo. So nje this inequality issue angathi-ke singahamba ibanga elide kakhulu nayo, but then nje ekugcineni kwakho konke i-national shutdown was needed, not only for this case kaCwecwe, but then again for so many issues ala e-South Africa, yabo. So nje mesibuyela futhi lapha siya kule nto leya, siya kule nto ye-safety and security. Ngeke ngayithi fala kahle kancane ukuthi crime rates and concerns about public safety continue to challenge communities across the country. Sibonile nje isibonelo ngelentuzana ngale issue yaseNanda. Kuyimanje ucommissioner wethu no, yes, no General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. At the same time futhi there is something going on engaziwa nje ukuthi ke yini kunale commotion, kodwa nje abantu abaningi nje nabo abaconsent ukuthi ke okay yini le kuzama ukwenziwanda yabo. So many people are very confused, and at the same time futhi kunalento le yama bribes, accept ama bribes nje abantu yabo ngaphakathi semajele nakhona isystem yakhona nje vele i fucked up. At the same time nangapha ngaphandle futhi emgaqweni ama traffic officer ayenze ukwawo yabona system ya corruptwa everywhere. There is crime nje yabo. Abantu aba-rich yilaba abama-criminals. Even i-system khona baholela abantu abangekho abanga-exist. Yonke leyo nto leyo akuyona into esiyidingela i-national shutdown yonke leyo. Bafethu uyabona ukuthi ekugcineni kwakho konke ungagcina ukubona ngathi le issue kaCwecwe i-issue ke encane, but no, ayikho ncane, because ngishilo kwasekuqaleni ukuthi le issue le kahle siyayikhava nayo la kwezinye zeyinkinga, because nayo iya-include, yabona nje kule safety and security iya-include le yanto ye-crime, because i-case yakhe i-under le yanto leya crime. Phela it's an unlawful act le eyenziwe la directed to this child. Asazi noma uyawabribe namalentuzana ama-police officer kwayena lowo muntu oyi-perpetrator ongaziwa njengamanje, because they are still conducting indaba ye-DNA and we are waiting for ama-result to know who is the perpetrator. Nalento ye-infrastructure nakumanye ama-industry, the steel industry is under threat due to cheap imports, leading to potential mill closure and job losses. The government is reviewing tariffs and exploring measures to protect the local industries. Konke nje kuyashabalala, kuyafatabala. Kwenziwa yini? Maintenance. How do we maintain the infrastructure? Who is supposed to maintain the infrastructure? Using what? Abazi manje. Ama-leaders lawa awazi ukuthi maintain or i-sustainwa kanjani infrastructure. Lento efundwe ezikoleni iy'ngane zizoyibona irrelevant kanjani le information, noma ke yonke lento eziyifunda esikoleni if ever inga-applywa abantu abadala abaphethe izwe. Bafethu, environmental concerns, disruptive weather patterns such as heavy rainfall are impacting regions like Gauteng, highlighting the need for better disaster preparedness. And uyabona nje ubonile nala eThekwini emadolobheni komnambithi nje kufica idolobha makuneyikhukhulu, kufica idolobha kumuka abantu. In fact maningi amadolobha nakhona la eMlazi nje amanzi abemile edrobheni. Obani abakhaya imigwaqo laphana, ama-drain lawa ke, drainage system yona iklinwe nje, ukuba fice nje abantu nje uthola ukuthi ke iyaklinwa, kwenziwa something nje ukubona ukuthi ngempela ke la kuhamba khona amanzi awablockeki yini, ku-right, yonke into i-right yini. So there's so much that is needed or there's so much that we need to focus on. In terms of having a national shutdown, there are so many issues also that we need to take a national shutdown for. I guess kodwa this is one of them. Proving that South Africa, ama-citizens of South Africa are how powerful they are. And also the issue foreigners, undocumented foreign nationals. Ziningi izinto ezenziwa yilabantu laba, and abanye babibona baphenduka inkabe bebulale ilentuzana abantu abakwi-higher rankings. Hlale sibuka la ezindabeni, akekho umuntu ongangibuza ukuthi wena ukwazi kanjani lokho, no. iy'ndaba, buka iy'ndaba, funda amaphepha, liba umuntu ohlale up to date nezinto ezenzekayo within umphakathi, izwe ohlala kulona. Ahlala ubuzana nabantu ukuthi wena uyazi ngani wenze buka iy'ndaba, lalela abasiki bebunda. So these issues nje reflect a very complexity South Africa or of South Africa's socio-economic and political landscape nje. Yizo zonke izinto kumele ngabe sifocus kuzona lezo. Kodwa bafethu amaningi amanye ama-topics esingakhuluma ngawo angabanjelwa i-national shutdown. Do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel bafethu. Danko.